Hey there, future toy titans! Ever dreamt of creating the next fidget spinner or building a brand new board game? The world of toy manufacturing is bursting with color, creativity, and a chance to spread joy to kids of all ages. It's a wild ride, full of challenges and rewards. Are you ready to dive in? Think back to your favorite childhood toy. What made it so special? Was it the feel, the design, or the endless hours of fun it provided? Now imagine bringing that same joy to a whole new generation. This is your chance to become a master toy creator, a builder of dreams, a champion of playtime. Let's embark on this adventure together. Get ready to unleash your inner child and let's get this toy-making party started. Before we build the coolest toy ever, we need to understand the rules of the game. The toy market is a massive playground with new trends popping up faster than you can say Lego. Remember fidget spinners? They were everywhere. Knowing what's hot and what's not is key to creating a toy that kids will love. These days, parents are looking for more than just fun. They want toys that are educational, sustainable, and safe. Think STEM toys that teach kids to code or building blocks made from recycled plastic. Keep an eye on what's trending online and in stores. Visit toy fairs and talk to parents and kids about what they're looking for. Knowledge is power in the toy game. Time to meet our target audience. Kids! But hold on, not all kids are the same. Are you targeting toddlers taking their first steps or teenagers glued to their phones? Each age group has different interests, abilities, and play styles. A toddler might love a cuddly teddy bear, while a 10-year-old might prefer a remote-controlled car they can build themselves. Once you know who you're creating for, you can tailor your toy design to their specific needs and interests. Think about their developmental stage, what they find fun, and what parents are looking for. Remember, a toy that resonates with its target audience is a recipe for success. Okay, toypreneur, time to get down to business. We're about to embark on an exciting journey to build your toy empire from the ground up. Every great toy starts with a solid business plan. This is your roadmap, your guiding star, and it will help you navigate through the complexities of the toy industry. Think of it as your treasure map to navigate the exciting world of toy manufacturing. First up, market research. This is where we dig deep to understand the landscape. We need to know who our competition is, what they're offering, and what gaps we can fill in the market. This knowledge is power, and how we can stand out from the crowd. Our unique selling proposition will be the key to capturing the hearts of children and parents alike. Next, we'll define our product line. This is where creativity meets strategy. Will it be a single iconic toy that becomes a household name, or a whole collection of playful creations that cater to different interests and age groups? The choice is yours. We need to get specific about materials, design, and safety standards. These elements are crucial in ensuring our toys are not only fun, but also safe and durable, and those unique features that will make our toys irresistible. Innovation is key in a competitive market. Then comes the marketing magic. This is where we create the buzz and excitement around our toys. How will we reach our target audience? Social media, influencer partnerships, TV commercials? Each channel has its own strengths. Let's brainstorm some creative marketing strategies to get everyone excited about our toys. The more innovative, the better. And finally, the numbers game. This is where we ensure our dreams are financially viable. We need to crunch those numbers and create realistic financial projections. This includes everything from production costs to pricing strategies, and create realistic financial projections. Understanding our financial landscape will help us make informed decisions. How much will it cost to manufacture our toys? What's our pricing strategy? These are critical questions we need to answer. A solid financial plan is crucial for a sustainable and successful toy business. With all these elements in place, we're ready to bring joy to children everywhere. Section 5. From idea to prototype. Designing your masterpiece. Get those creative juices flowing. This is the stage where your imagination takes flight and your ideas start to take shape. Gather your team, grab your sketch pads, and let's dive into the world of toy design. This is where the real fun begins, designing your toy masterpiece. Think about the colors, shapes, and functionalities that will make your toy stand out. The possibilities are endless, and the only limit is your creativity. It all starts with an idea. Maybe it's something you've never seen before, or perhaps it's a new take on a beloved classic. Whatever it is, this is your chance to bring it to life. Maybe it's a quirky character with a personality that kids will fall in love with. a new twist on a classic game, adding elements that make it more engaging and fun, or a toy that solves a problem. Jot down those ideas, sketch them out, and let your imagination run wild. Don't be afraid to think outside the box and push the boundaries of traditional toy design, and let your imagination run wild. Experiment with different materials, textures, and colors. The more diverse your ideas, the more unique your final product will be. Once you have a solid concept, it's time to refine it. Review your sketches, discuss them with your team, and make any necessary adjustments. This is a collaborative process, and every piece of feedback is valuable. It's time to create some prototypes. Use 3D printing, modeling clay, or any other materials at your disposal to bring your design to life. These prototypes will give you a tangible sense of your toy and help you identify any potential issues. These early versions of your toy will help you test out different designs, materials, and features. Play around with different configurations and see what works best. Materials and features. This is your chance to experiment and refine your design until it's just right. Think of it as a process of playful experimentation. Each iteration brings you one step closer to your final product. Safety and durability are non-negotiable. We're designing for kids, so safety is paramount. We'll choose child-safe materials, ensuring that every component is safe for little hands. Ensure there are no choking hazards, and that all parts are securely attached, and rigorously test our prototypes to meet the highest safety standards. This includes drop tests, bite tests, and any other tests necessary to ensure the toy can withstand rough play. But safety doesn't mean sacrificing fun. We want our toys to be as enjoyable as they are safe. Let's brainstorm some unique features that will make our toys stand out. Think about what will make your toy not just another item on the shelf, but something truly special. Maybe it's a toy that interacts with an app, bringing a digital dimension to playtime, a customizable element that lets kids express their creativity, allowing them to make the toy their own, or a surprise feature that keeps the fun going. The goal is to create a toy that not only entertains, but also inspires and engages. Section 6. Sourcing materials and manufacturing, building your dream team. With a killer prototype in hand, it's time to bring our toy to life. This means finding the right materials and manufacturing partners, our dream team. Choosing the right materials is crucial, not just for aesthetics but also for safety and durability. We'll explore different options from soft plush fabrics to sturdy plastics, always keeping sustainability in mind. Now, the big decision: where to manufacture our toys? We could opt for local production, supporting our community, and having closer control over the process. Or, we could explore overseas manufacturing, which might offer cost savings. We'll weigh the pros and cons carefully to make the best choice for our business. Building strong relationships with suppliers and manufacturers is key. We'll be working closely with them throughout the production process, ensuring our toys are made to the highest standards of quality and safety. Section 7. Safety first, regulations and testing. Hold your horses, Toy Tycoon. Before we unleash our creations upon the world, we need to make sure they're safe for kids to play with. Safety regulations are no joke, and for good reason. Every country has its own set of toy safety standards. In the United States, it's the Consumer Product Safety Commission, CPSC. We need to impress. These regulations cover everything from choking hazards to lead content in paint. We'll have our toys rigorously tested by accredited labs to ensure they meet or exceed all safety requirements. It's a crucial step to guarantee that our toys are not only fun, but also safe for the little ones who will cherish them. Remember, safety is not a compromise, it's our top priority. Section 8. Spreading the joy, marketing and branding. This is where the magic happens, where our toys journey truly begins. It's not just about creating a product, it's about creating an experience that resonates with both kids and parents alike. Get ready to shout it from the rooftops. Our toy is more than just a plaything, it's a source of joy, creativity, and endless fun. We need to make sure everyone knows about it. Our toy is ready, and it's time to spread the joy. Unboxing videos, playtime demonstrations, and vibrant displays are just the beginning. We want to capture those magical moments when a child first lays eyes on our toy. Marketing is all about telling our toy's story and getting people excited to bring it home. It's about creating a narrative that parents can trust and kids can dream about. First impressions matter, so let's create a brand identity that captures the essence of our toy. A catchy name, a memorable logo, and a story that sticks. These elements are the foundation of our brand. Packaging that pops off the shelves, These are all crucial elements of building a brand that kids and parents will love. The packaging should be as exciting as the toy itself, drawing attention and sparking curiosity. Social media is our playground. Let's create engaging content, run contests, and share stories that resonate. We want to build a community around our toy, where parents and kids can connect and share their experiences, and connect with parents and kids online. Through interactive posts, live sessions, and user-generated content, we can create a buzz that keeps growing. Influencer marketing can also be a game changer, getting our toy in the hands of trendsetters who can spread the word. Their authentic reviews and enthusiastic endorsements can reach a wide audience. Getting our toy in the hands of trendsetters who can spread the word, their influence can create a ripple effect, making our toy the next big thing. Don't underestimate the power of traditional media. While digital is crucial, traditional media still holds a significant place in reaching a broader audience. Eye-catching advertisements in parenting magazines can capture the attention of parents looking for the perfect gift, or even a catchy jingle on a kid's TV channel can work wonders. These traditional methods can complement our digital efforts, creating a well-rounded marketing strategy. Remember, marketing is all about connecting with our audience, building trust, and creating a buzz that's irresistible. It's about making our toy a part of their lives, a source of joy and cherished memories, and creating a buzz that's irresistible. Let's make our toy the talk of the town, a must-have for every child. Section 9, Bringing Toys to Life, Distribution and Customer Love. We've designed, manufactured, and marketed our dream toy. Now let's get it into the hands of eager kids everywhere. Choosing the right distribution channels is key. Will we sell online through our website and e-commerce platforms like Amazon? Or will we partner with brick-and-mortar toy stores and retailers? A mix of both can maximize our reach, but it doesn't stop there. Once our toys are out in the world, we need to stay engaged with our customers. Let's respond to reviews, listen to feedback, and build a community around our brand. Happy customers can become our biggest advocates. Remember, the toy business is all about spreading joy. By creating high-quality, innovative, and safe toys, and by building strong relationships with our customers, we can make a lasting impact on the world.